Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best hoverboards that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the EPIKGO Classic Hoverboard. A lot of the hoverboards we've looked at so far have been on the cheaper side of things, except for the Segway. That's because they're supposed to be just for a bit of fun. The EPIKGO Classic is a bit different. Don't worry, it's still a lot of fun to ride, but it's capable of much more than that. The first thing you'll notice about it is the difference in build quality. It feels really sturdy and everything, from the quality of the materials to the electronics inside, is top-notch. Probably the biggest difference is the EPIKGO Classic's ability to go pretty much anywhere. The thick rubber tires mean that it can handle gravel, grass, sand, and pavements, without any problem. Even when you're traveling up a hill at 10 miles per hour, it feels solid. This is, without a doubt, the best hoverboard on this list. It's built to last a long time and will make easy work of your daily commute. Find more great products like this by checking out our guide to the best electric dirt bikes for kids. Moving on at number 4, we have the Segway Ninebot S Smart Self-Balancing Hoverboard. Segway has already become a household name. Their products stand out amongst competitors because of so many reasons, which is why we had to include the Segway Ninebot S. Technically, it's not a hoverboard, but it works in pretty much the same way. The only real difference is the knee control pad that lets you direct it more accurately around the bends. One of the big things that put people off buying this sort of product is the fact that you have to learn to ride it. But this one is much more intuitive, thanks to the knee controls and the accurate sensors. It really is just like stepping onto a solid platform. It can also handle different terrains, which comes in handy if you are going to use it to get from A to B, and the 10.5-inch pneumatic tires give it a really smooth ride, even on bumpy tarmac. But one of the biggest things that set this product apart is the app that comes with it. It's got anti-theft functions, speed limit adjustments, vehicle diagnostics, ambient lighting, and even a vehicle remote control. It really takes this product to a new level. Be sure to also check out some of these amazing longboards from our list. At number 3, we have the Swagtron Swagboard Twist Lithium. The Swagtron Swagboard Twist Lithium is the cheaper alternative to the Swagtron Hoverboard we featured as our best choice product. We think it's easily one of the best budget options out there because it has some of the same safety features as the more expensive products. Naturally, you're not going to get the same level of performance as you would from the more expensive model. But it's still capable of 7 miles per hour, has a range of 4.8 miles, and can handle inclines of 30. It's absolutely perfect if you are looking for a hoverboard to have fun with, but probably not suitable for commuting or getting around town. Oh, and it comes with battery life indicators, so you don't go flying off when the battery dies. At number 2, we have the Razer Hovertrax 2.0 Hoverboard. The Razer Hovertrax 2.0 Hoverboard is another reasonably affordable option. They claim that it's the smartest self-balancing electric scooter, but we're not so sure about that. What we can tell you is that it does all of the simple things well. It has 2 pretty powerful 350-watt motors and can reach impressive top speeds of 8+ mph. And it can handle 220 pounds of weight. But one of our favorite features is the replaceable 36 volts lithium-ion battery pack. On its own, it's a really solid battery, but the best thing about it is that you can swap it out for another one. So, if you're prepared to spend some money and get extra batteries, you can really extend the runtime. Love this product? Check out our review of the best electric scooters for kids for our top picks. And finally at number 1, we have the Hoverstar Hoverboard 6.5-inch. Our best value hoverboard was an easy choice. The Hoverstar Hoverboard is an amazing value when you think about the technology on offer. Sure, you can get your hands on a cheaper one, but they are nowhere near as good quality as this hoverboard. If you look just at the specifications, it's really hard to tell apart from products that cost twice as much. And, when you get it out of the box, it feels just as well made. Of course, when you're paying this much for a hoverboard, you are more likely to have problems with them, but they are still pretty rare. In terms of performance, it can reach 9 miles per hour, go for about 6 to 8 miles, and support up to 180 pounds of weight. The only problem is that it doesn't have much in the way of safety features, so you have to be careful about it running out of power at full speed.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.